Namaste. Today I'm gonna show you this yummy vegetarian dish. One of my Persian friend taught me how to make this 25 years ago. I do it at least once a week, and especially now I don't have appetite for meat. I became a vegetarian, so I do eat a lot of beans and stuff. So I happen to have a fresh dill, subko sag in Nepali, dill vegetable in my garden. So it's called dill rice. And then what I do is have 2 cups of water, okay, 2 cups of water, which is 16 ounce, and have 2 tablespoons of butter right here. So I'm gonna use half for the rice and then half to cook the vegetables. And then I got a cup of rice, and I like to use basmati rice in a big bag. You can get in any Indian grocery store. And then you just rinse it off. I rinse it off at least 4 or 5 times. And then one whole cup of rice. And then this is rinsed off rice. And you water here, and then make sure you have a high heat until it boils. So I'm gonna put my rice over there, all the rice. Yep. And then salt is as you like it. You can use it. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I do like the salt, so I'm gonna use a whole teaspoon of salt on this right here. And I'm gonna kind of stir it a little bit. I'm gonna let it boil. And in the other container here, and a low heat, now I'm gonna put it medium. Another 2 tablespoons of butter, which is ounce, right here, right here. This is all together, this is 4 ounce, so actually this is less than an ounce. I only use 2 tablespoons right here. 2 tablespoons here, 2 tablespoons, so which is all together 2 ounces, okay? So I'm heating the butter there, and I'm gonna use baby Lima bean. You can easily get this at the grocery store, frozen Lima bean. I rinse that off too. And then in Nepali, it's called bakula. You can do fava bean or you can do Lima bean. Baby Lima bean is kind of soft and gives you a lot of protein. So I'm gonna put that there, my baby Lima bean, right there. And then again, I just wanted to see, you don't do the stem of the dill, just do the leaves. And a chopped fresh dill leaves, this is exactly a cup. This is exactly a cup, okay? So I'm gonna put a pinch of salt here. I like to make sure everything gets salted. So just a pinch of salt. And then you stir it a little bit. And then I'll put my dill also. And kind of, again, another pinch of salt, or I'll have just a little bit of leftover right there. This is plenty. Again, salt as you like it, okay? And previously I have shared this recipe with the dried dried dill with. On that recipe, I happen to have saffron, which is again Persian spice. You can use saffron if you like. I don't have a saffron today, so I'm just going to use a pinch of turmeric. I'm just going to use a very little pinch of turmeric here, just for the color and kind of there. You're supposed to use saffron, and then my dried one, I have used saffron on that one, and I have to go to the grocery store. I haven't done, so I don't have a saffron today. But you just kind of stir it like this. This is almost done because baby Lima bean can cook in a minute. There you go. I'm still gonna leave it to low heat, medium. And look at that. This is boiling. The rice is boiling. Let it boil until your water goes almost gone, okay? With the miracle of the YouTube, I decide to make a batch ahead of time. That way we are not wasting any time. This is how it looks when it's done. You can have this with anything of your choice. Excuse me, I'm getting a little cough with my allergy. I've been working outside a little bit. I'm gonna have it with salsa, homemade salsa. Thank you for watching my YouTube.